Ready na ba, players? Ready na? Ready na? Okay. Mukhang ready naman na sila. And with that, the game starts now!
Ano, Papa?
Bawal mahulog yung lobo. Balik sa starting line.
Dumudulas!
Okay, okay. Ingatan. Oh, okay. Balik sa starting line. Ayan, pwede tumalon, pwede tumakbo. Okay, balik sa starting line. Hoy, wala na sa Pilipinas. Okay. Tatakbo, tatakbo ka lang. Meron na tayo.
Grabe. Ang hirap!
Isi-spell ninyo ang buong pangalan ni Ray gamit ang inyong mga friends. Lahat ng pangalan. Para kita-kita ng lahat. Capital letters lahat, ha? Okay. Okay, audience. Kailangan pa ng inyong participation. Spell natin ang letter sa pangalan ni Ray. First letter. Oh, si Kuya hindi nag-spell. Uulit, uulit. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, audience. First letter. R.
Si Ading.
R. Next letter. E. Okay. Third letter. I. Fourth letter. G. And last letter. N. Thank you so much. Cheers. Sasabihin ko. Sige po. Yan po ang starting line natin. Ayan, yan po ang starting line.
Day naman maglalaro.
Pantay lang po kayo, pantay lang. Okay. So, kung sino po yung player na may hawak ng lobo at sinabi ni host na shoot that ball, siya ang tatakbo dito sa harap para putukin yung lobo. So, the first group to reach the point of 3, siya po ang winners at siya po ang makakatanggap ng new prizes. Okay, tignan natin ang tagas ng ating mga players. Okay, practice na nga, practice nga. Okay, player number 1, dribble mo. I-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Player number 1, pasa mo. Player number 3. Player number 3, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. I-dribble mo, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Player number 3, pasa mo. Player number 5. Ayan, balik yung player number 1. Okay, player number 1, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition. Pasa mo kay player number 3. Exhibition, exhibition. Dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Pasa mo kay number 5. I-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition. And shoot that ball! Okay, okay, shoot that ball! Okay. Ayan, so may 1 point na sila. Okay ha, so meron na sila 1 point. So kailangan, best of 3 to ha, kaya galingan nyo. Okay. Player number 1, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Player number 1, ipasa mo kay player number 4. Player number 4, exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. I-dribble mo, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Player number 4, player number 2. Player number 3, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo, i-dribble mo. 8-8, 8-8. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Dribble, 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 dribble. Player number 2, pasa mo kay player number 5. Player number 5, exhibition, exhibition, 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Exhibition, exhibition. Number 3, number 5, player number 4. Player number 4, dribble boy, dribble boy, dribble boy. 8-8, 8-8. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Player number 4, dribble boy, dribble boy. Player number 2, dribble mo. Dribble mo, dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Player number 2, pasa mo ka. Player number 3. Player number 3, dribble mo, dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. 8-8. Player number 3, shoot that ball! Sino po naunang audience?
Dito, dito, dito.
Sabay. Bigyan natin sila ng points parehas or no point at all? May points daw parehas. So, 1, 2. So, sila, 1 point na lang ang hahabulin. So, kayo habol kayo, no? Okay, players, ready? Player number 1, dribble mo, dribble mo, dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Player number 1, pasa mo ka. Player number 3. Player number 3, dribble mo, dribble mo, dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. 8-8. 8-8, dribble mo, dribble mo, dribble mo. Player number 3, pasa mo ka. Player number 5. Player number 5, 8-8. 8-8, 8-8. Exhibition, exhibition. Exhibition, exhibition. Dribble mo, dribble mo. 8-8. 8-8. Player number 5, pasa mo ka. Player number 2. Player number 2, exhibition, exhibition. Dribble, 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 dribble. 8-8. 8-8. Player number 3, pasa mo kay player number 4. Player number 4, dribble mo, dribble mo. Exhibition, exhibition. Player number 5, pasa mo kay player number 1. Player number 1, exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Dribble mo, dribble mo. 8-8. 8-8. 8-8. Player number 1, pasa mo kay player number 5. Player number 5, shoot that ball!
Sayang.
Meron na po tayong winners. Palakpakan naman natin sila. And with that, syempre, ang winners natin, meron silang game.
Talo na naman ah, puro talo ah. Laging talo ah.